Hey guys, so I decided I should do one of my favorite artists' songs, and my favorite artist is Jason Chen. He's one of my favorite artists, and one of his songs are Best Friend. So I will be singing that. Hope you enjoy. Also, this is dedicated to one of him. Do you remember when I said I'd always be there? Ever since we were 10, baby, when we were out on the playground playing pretend. I didn't know it back then. Now I realize you were the only one. It's never too late to show it. Grow all together and feelings we had before. But we were so innocent. I pray for all your love, for your love is so real. I just wanna reach and touch you, squeeze you, somebody pinch me. This is something like a movie. I don't know how it ends, boy, but I fell in love with my best friend. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. Oh, I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. Oh, oh, oh. All the dudes came by and all the nights that you cried. Boy, I was right there by your side. How could I tell you I loved you when you were so happy with some other girl? Now I realize you were the only one. It's never too late to show